Hello friends. How are you? Welcome to Learning Station. Take a seat, take a breath, and let's learn together. Today we are learning letter N. Can you say with me N? N for neck. Repeat it again. N for neck. N for nail. Repeat it again. N for nail. N for nurse. Repeat it again. N for nurse. N for nut. Repeat it again. N for nut. N for notebook. Repeat it again. N for notebook. N for nose. Repeat it again. N for nose. N for noodles. Repeat it again. N for noodles. N for net. Repeat it again. N for net. N for nest. Repeat it again. N for nest.